Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 14.2 question number 3. Construct AB of length 7.8 cm. From this, cut off AC of length 4.7 cm, measure BC. Let us take one line segment of length 7.8 cm. Right. Let us take one line segment. First of all, take us the ruler. We have taken the ruler here. Right. Now, construct AB of length 7.8 cm. Now let us take one line segment, right? It is 7.8 centimeter. Right, from take 2 points, take 1 point as on the 0 point, right? And take another at 7.8 centimeter. At 7.8, this is 7.1234567 8. This is 7.8. This is 7. Right, 0 and 7.8. Right. Now this is 7.8 centimeter of length AB. Now we will change this color of this line, that is yellow. Right. Now this is 7.8 centimeter. Now we will write the name of this line segment. That is, name of this line segment is, here it is A, here it is A, and this point is B. Right. From this, cut off AC of length 4.7 centimeter. Right. Now take the compass. Take the compass. Let us take the compass. We have taken the compass here. Let measure the, it is of length 4.7 centimeter. Let us measure 4.7 centimeter from 0. This is 0.0, right? 0, and measure 4.7 centimeter. Right? Let us take 4.7 centimeter. 4.7. This is 4. 4.5, 4.6, 4.6, 4.7. Yes, this is 4.7. Right, here you see that this length is 4.7. That is AC. Right. Now we replace this one. Now put this pointer at point A. Put this pointer at point A. Right. Put pointer at A. Right. And make an arc at this point. Let us make an arc. Right. We make an arc. Made an arc. I replace this one here. Therefore, this point is C. This point is C point. This point is C. Right? The length of AC is 4.7 centimeter. This is 4.7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Right? And length of AB is 7.8 centimeter. Length of AB is 7.8. Total length is 7.8 centimeter. 7.8 centimeter. Now measure length BC. If you measure length BC, it comes to total length is here you see it is 7.8 centimeter. 7.8 centimeter, and AC is 4.7. AC is 4.7. 4.7 centimeter. 4.7 centimeter. 4.7 centimeter. If we subtract this, we will get 8 minus 7 is 1, minus 7 minus 4, that is 3. 3.1 centimeter. Therefore, from figure we can find that value of CB will be 3.1 centimeter. It will be 3.1 centimeter. Right? In this way you have to draw the line. Right? Here construct AB, we have AB line segment we have drawn is 7.8 centimeter. 7.8 centimeter. Right? From this cut off AC, we have drawn AC, the line segment AC is equal to 4.7 centimeter. 4.7 centimeter. And if we find what is the value of BC, the length of BC line segment, the length of BC or CB, length of BC of this line segment will be 3.1 centimeter. 3.1 centimeter. You can check it also with the help of the scale or ruler, right? If we check that it is 3.1, here you see, if we measure this one, you are getting yes, it is exactly 3.1 centimeter, right? That means this drawing is correct, right? In this way you have to draw the different, right? Here you see, construct AB of length 7.8 centimeter. We have constructed AB of length 7.8 centimeter. From this cut off AC of length 4.7, we have taken with the help of compass 4.7 centimeter, and with the pointer at point A, we cut this at point C, and that is 4.7 centimeter. And you have to measure the length BC. We know that if you subtract this 4.7 centimeter from 7.8 centimeter, it comes to 3.1 centimeter. Therefore, BC will be exactly 3.1 centimeter. And we have shown you also that with the help of scale, this is also 3.1 centimeter. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.